hot news. Andile Ramaphosa had received an R6m tender to equip taxis. On Tuesday morning, Twitter was in a tizzy over rumors that President Cyril Ramaphosa's son had received an R6m tender to equip taxis. The Twitter storm accused Andile Ramaphosa of corruption and benefiting from the COVID-19 pandemic. However, the source of the controversy was an article by Business Insider which was headlined "Courting Taxis are being fitted with anti-COVID tech in an R6m project, led by Ramaphosa's son." The project, which will cost R6m, is actually being headed up by non-profit organization Supplier Development Initiatives SDI. The organization was founded by Andile Ramaphosa and Brad Fisher in partnership with FNB and Bridge Taxi Force. According to the organization's mandate, we focus on providing market access and market participation as the most critical step towards developing black suppliers. Providing black suppliers with avenues to trade their products and services with large corporates, whilst growing their business. Co-founder Brad Fisher was interviewed on Anchor about the taxi safety equipment. If people sit in an environment where there's no ventilation, the viral load will increase. In just 20 minutes, people will get sick, said Brad Fisher in an interview with Anchor 3 days ago. It's urgent that the taxis are fitted with an air ventilation system and a barrier between the driver and the passengers, says Fisher. The driver will see around 2,000 people per month, so the first thing we've got to do is separate the driver from the people. The organization is also installing a sanitization station at the door of taxis and air vents in the windows of the taxis to ensure airflow throughout. According to the Business Insider report, the cost of outfitting each taxi amounts to around $1,000 per vehicle. The organization hopes to equip 6,000 taxis in total. This was confirmed by the Road Traffic Infringement Agency. In the interview below, one of the taxi drivers at Bara Taxi Rank, whose vehicle has been fitted with the safety equipment, says he's happy with the initiative. "I am okay about it, because it will help protect us from this virus that is making us sick. But the passengers will complain about the air, because it is cold," said the driver. Ventilation is vital to ensure the safety of all passengers in the vehicle. Twitter outcry. On Tuesday morning, Andile Ramaphosa was trending as some South Africans believed that the son of the president had received a pricey tender. However, many came out in support of the NGO's initiative and encouraged those who were complaining to first check their facts.